Welcome to another Detector Testers Toolbox Talk. When it comes to testing smoke detectors, we have a range of equipment for you to use. Today, I'm going to cover our top tips on making the most of them. Cold aerosol smoke canisters can mean that the test smoke lingers for longer and causes nuisance-free alarms. If the canister gets really cold, they don't work at all. Try warming gently in your pocket or under warm water before use when they're cold. Residential smoke alarms, as well as CO life safety, tend to have larger diameters. This is where you need a bigger test cup, like we have on the Solo 332 compared to the Solo 330. A top tip for Solo 330 and 332 users to prevent accidental discharge of smoke from the canister is to remove the canister and invert it. There's a provision of a hole in the bottom to take the nozzle. That way you can store it back on the unit and have no possibility of accidental discharge. Newer smoke detector testers like the Solo 365 and Testifire don't use aerosol canisters, they use capsules and cartridges instead. This gives many benefits over and above aerosol canisters. No mess, nuisance, re-alarms, risk from using dangerous goods, no possibility of over-application, and best of all, able to test a wider range of detectors and alarms. If you have multi-sensors to test and you've got Testifire, if it's the older multi-sensors that don't have separate channel notification, you set Testifire into a sequential test. Whereas if you're testing the newer multi-sensors that do give separate channel notification, this is when you've got the advantage of a simultaneous test, which gives much quicker activation times. If you use any of our testers with the Solo height access poles, it's really important to make sure that you can prove that you can use them competently and safely. The best way to do this is to go through our online training course, which is dedicated to the safe use of Solo height access poles. It's free, it's a CPD, FIA accredited course. Get yourself onto it. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notifications of new videos as and when they occur. If you've got any ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And as always, if you have been watching, thanks for watching.